Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. I hope you're still in great health because we're still in that safer at home, stay at home state. I'm going to make something very quick and easy that is in my cabinet. We're going to be doing steak tortillas and we're going to do it in a wrap style. So let's go ahead and look at our ingredients. We're going to use some Steak-Umms, Lowry seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. I've already diced up my jalapeno peppers, banana peppers, and my onions. And of course you can use whatever tortillas that you want, but I'm going to use these, okay? And they're the large size. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this party started. So what you do first is add some oil to a frying pan. I have my fire on medium high. We're going to go ahead and saute our vegetables first. And my grease is heated up. It's been heating up since I've been talking to y'all. And while this is sauteing, what we're going to do is add in our seasoning. Our Lowry seasoning salt. Garlic powder. I'll open up the right sides here. And turn this down on low here. That's my onion powder. And y'all know I love me some pepper, so. Y'all leave a comment below what y'all been doing during this coronavirus. What's been going on in your lives? Have you been trying some of my recipes? Have you been getting outside, taking a walk? Are you waiting to go back to work? Tell me how this coronavirus has affected you and your family. I'm praying that you all are safe out there. Everyone under the sound of my voice. I hope you're safe. Now what you can do, it's really up to you. Everyone does this differently. What I'm going to do is push that aside. And I'm just going to add in my meat on this side. The Steak-Umms come out like this in the pack, you guys. They're long. So I'm going to take about 5 of them out of here. And what I like to do is just break them up like this. This is how I do mine. Of course, it's up to you. It seems like it cooks faster to me, just to break them up. You know, I think I will take my vegetables out of there because my pan is a little smaller than what I want it to be. Should have grabbed a larger frying pan. We just set this aside so we can cook these Steak-Umms in the entire frying pan here. So we're just going to let this go ahead and do what it's doing in this frying pan. I'm going to turn the fire up like on number 4 medium. This is the finished product from the Steak-Umm. I mixed in the vegetables and now we're ready to do the flour tortilla, get that heated up. Now we're going to just heat that up till it's, you know, somewhat brown. Now from this point, if you actually wanted to make quesadillas, you could do that right now. You can just go ahead and lay your meat in there, lay your cheese in there, but I decided I wanted to do a wrap. Although this looks like it would be perfect for a quesadilla. So either way you want to do it, it'll be fine, okay? You can use whatever cheese you want. I'm putting that back on low. I'm using a taco blend. So if y'all don't know, I love cheese and I love me some pepper and I love garlic. And hot sauce. Things I must have with jalapeno peppers. Once I get melted, we're going to put it on the plate. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to hook this up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this out of here, okay? I'm going to put it on the plate over here. I said, this is what I have. Just going to slide that in there. But this is going to be simple and easy for you guys. So, just going to show you how I'm going to do this right quick, fast, and a hurry, and then we're going to roll. Don't be looking at my nails, y'all, because, you know, My nail salon is not open. How about that? How does that look, y'all? I'll roll that like that. It's crispy too. Get a knife. Slice that up in the middle. Let's see what we're working with. What y'all think? Oh. What y'all think? Y'all want a bite? Yeah? Okay. Let's dig into it. If you like the video, go ahead and like it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're trying to get to 1,000 or more subscribers. Don't forget to leave your comment below. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Does that not look good? You want something quick to make for your kids? This is quick. If you want to add bell peppers, you can add bell peppers to this too, y'all. But it's just a small, quick meal to do. So, thank y'all for watching. Until then, y'all remain safe. Stay tuned for how to make a do-it-yourself face mask at home with just cloth material. I want you to protect yourself as you go outside, okay? So until then, God bless you, heaven smile upon you, and I'll see you in the next video.